In this video, I'm going to show you how to make egg and potato curry. Please feel free to adapt anything in this video or recipe to suit your kitchen, your style, and most importantly, your taste. Let's get started. 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, about 1/4 of a teaspoon of chili, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric. I'll just give it a quick stir. Hot oil, you would burn this straight away. That's why you want to put it into cold. You can see it just starting to froth now. So in goes the chopped potatoes. And basically we're going to fry them, and as you can see I've actually cut them quite small because the reason being is you want them to actually cook fairly quickly in the second stage. Right, I'm now going to turn that up. We just hear it sizzling away. And this is probably going to take about 10 minutes. These are now ready, so I'm going to turn the heat off, transfer them into another bowl. The pan is still hot, though the flame isn't on. So you get the egg, and each one you put 4 slits in it down to the yolk. Do not cut through the yolk, and then just literally put them in. And this is to allow the flavour of the spices to get right into the egg. Now that I've done that, I'm going to turn the heat back on to low, and we just fry them in the oil. Right, as you can actually see, they're now starting to go golden brown. I've added a little bit more oil to the pan. You must keep these moving though. Right, I'm going to take these out, transfer them to another dish, and then we'll carry on. I'm now going to add the remaining oil, and we're going to add the whole spices. In goes the cinnamon bark, then goes in the cardamom. The cinnamon now has absorbed the oil. In goes the cloves. And as soon as they start to sizzle and expand, which they've just done, I'll put the chopped chilli in. This will reduce the temperature quite quickly. Then goes in the onion. Now that was 1 green chilli. I left the seeds in, which was just finely chopped. I'm now putting 2 onions in. One has been very, very finely chopped, and the other one has been coarsely chopped. That's ready, so they're now going in. And I'm just going to saute this before we add the ground spices. Now they use whole spices, which I'll grind myself. And I have used 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. I'm just going to turn that heat up. So this is going to take another 10 minutes. And here it's sizzling away there. Okay, let's add the spices, which have been freshly ground. Reduce the heat, and we'll just stir this for about a minute. And this is just to take the bitterness of the spice away. But you don't want to burn the spice again, because it's ground spices. They've got a far greater area, which means they'll burn a lot more quickly in the oil. Okay, I've already put some tomatoes in, and I'm going to put the final lot in now. Put the last lot of tomatoes in. So turn the temperature up. What I'm now going to do is put the potatoes in and get them covered in the spices. So in go the potatoes that we fried earlier. Just cover them in the spices, and then we're going to add some warm water. I'd say about 1/4 litre to this. I've just put the water in the pan the potatoes are in, so that I can get all that oil and the flavour. I'm now just going to put that in here. Now that was actually hot water, so it shouldn't take too long to get to the boil. As you can see, it's now coming to simmering point. I've turned it right down, put the lid on, and I'm just going to let that simmer for about 15 minutes. That is just about ready. We now put the eggs in. 10 minutes, and that will be ready to serve. And there we are, 1 egg and potato done.